Hello everyone, this is Bebinca from BSLBATT Battery in China. I'm so happy and it is my honor to introduce our Forklift lithium battery to you today. We have been replacing Forklift lithium battery as a replacement battery over 9 years till now. Okay, this video will be divided into 3 parts for your better understanding. The first part, Bebinca will analyze the main purpose of our GPRS foundation. Here, you can see that we place the sensor outside to make the signal stronger. You need to open the cover and find the black box. Firstly, it's better and necessary to unplug or wiring harnesses to ensure safety. We will also share a PowerPoint that could guide you how to install the SIN card step by step. So, when you have received your own battery, we will give the account for you only as well as the password, and then you can visit the link gps.bns16.com for checking the battery status. But before that, you need to buy a SIN card locally and install into your own batteries. The second part, Bebinca will show you the port for discharging and charging process. Battery discharge port here. Normally, it will have 2 connectors like Anderson and Rayma. If your forklift are using Anderson port, we will match the Anderson port correspondingly. If your trunk are using Rayma connector, like this one, with female plug, then we will match the opposite side, male plug, then could be connecting perfectly for both sides. After connecting both, it could support your daily operating. Battery charge port. Normally, we will design Rayma connector with male plug for the battery. Then the charger will be designed female. 1 male, 1 female, then connect them. It's not easy for me. It's not easy for me to connect it. Now it's successfully. Now, you can start to charge the battery after you connecting the charger with your local electricity. Here, on the side of the charger with a master switch, turn on the button, turn on with green light. Here is the start button, horse button. Here is a display showing the charging status. You can see this charger with a 80 volt output voltage, 200 ampere charging current. In the meanwhile, we have 2 language versions like English and Chinese. Spanish is also upcoming soon. The third part was display of the battery that could provide the battery details. Like this one. For our battery, we will equip with a smart display with about 1.2 meter wire for installing on the front of the driver for checking and controlling. Power line means with power right now. Running light, communication light. And here is the charge time record and the discharge time record. Now you can see the charging current is 200 amperes now. SOC are reaching to 88% currently. Also, the time is showing 10 p.m. Yes, very late here. Here are each Ford lithium battery cell's voltage. Entering, you can check every cell's voltage. Returned. Here are the temperature for each cells. Returned again. Heater, electrical, If there is any issues like over discharge, over temperature, etc., the buzzer here will alarm for reminding for the driver. The buzzer will turn into red light. And here is the start button for the whole battery system for the driver for controlling. Okay, that is our presentation for our battery display. And this is also our brief introduction for our Ford lithium battery using in forklifts. If you still have questions for battery and charger, you can contact BSL at any time. See you!